Welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Bigin CRM. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you link or connect your Zoom account to your Bigin CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved. So be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link or connect your Zoom account to your Bigin CRM anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's important to stay in touch with your customers or potential leads. And if you connect your Zoom account, you can run your meetings through Zoom instead of like a physical location or a phone number. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Bigin CRM. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Bigin CRM, and this is the home screen. Here on the home screen, if you want to link or connect your Zoom account, you're going to click on this gear icon here on the top right. Once you do that, you're going to see this gray menu here to the left, and you want to click on toppings. Once you click there, you're going to see quite a few different integrations available to you, but you want to scroll down until you see the Zoom logo and it says Zoom meeting. Go ahead and click on setup now. Okay, so next we're going to give you some information. It lets you know that if you integrate Zoom with your Bigin, you can schedule, manage online meetings from the event module in Bigin. So you want to click on this green button, activate for this organization. Okay, they let you know once this is activated, the users in your Bigin CRM can connect their Zoom account and they can schedule meetings. So click on activate now. Okay, now that it's activated, you're going to see this red deactivate button. And in order to use Zoom in your Bigin meeting, you or your users are going to do is they're going to click up here on this green plus icon, create new record. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu and you want to click on event. Okay, so here is where you can go ahead and create a meeting or an event. So you would fill it out like you normally would. The only difference is if it's going to be an online meeting using Zoom, you're going to click on this little box. Okay, once you've done that, it's automatically going to be a Zoho meeting, but you can go ahead and change that right here to Zoom meeting. Once you do that, Bigin CRM is going to prompt you to go ahead and connect your Zoom. So you want to click on connect now. Okay, next Zoom is going to open up a browser asking if you want to share information with your Bigin CRM. If so, go ahead and click on this little box right here and then click on allow. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see I can go ahead and add Zoom to this event or this meeting. So that way, when this meeting is scheduled, it'll include a Zoom link. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Zoom account to your Bigin, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.